In today's dynamic financial landscape, exploring avenues for passive income generation has become increasingly popular. While it's crucial to set realistic expectations regarding potential earnings and the necessary effort, there are effective strategies to establish passive income streams that align with your interests and skill set. Passive income refers to the concept of generating revenue with minimal ongoing effort. While initial setup may require some upfront work, once established, these income streams provide a consistent flow of funds. Identifying your strengths and passions. The success of any passive income endeavor hinges on aligning your efforts with your strengths and passions. Choose an activity that genuinely interests you, as this will fuel your motivation and make the process more enjoyable. Considerations for choosing a passive income stream. Before diving into a specific passive income idea, carefully consider the following factors. Time commitment. Assess the time required for initial setup and ongoing maintenance. Demand and competition. Research the market to gauge demand for your chosen activity and identify potential competitors. Long-term viability. Evaluate the sustainability of your chosen income stream over time. Lessons from others. Learn from the successes and failures of others in your chosen field. 7 passive income ideas to explore. Rental income. Utilize your vacant spaces or possessions for short-term or long-term rentals. Blogging. Share your expertise and insights through a blog, generating revenue through advertising, sponsored content, or affiliate marketing. Vlogging. Create engaging videos on a chosen topic, monetizing through advertising or sponsorships. Online courses. Package your knowledge and skills into digital courses, earning royalties from each sale. Self-publishing. Share your stories or sell your high-quality photography through online platforms. Stock market investing. Seek professional guidance to invest in stocks or passive investment funds. Property investment. Explore rental properties for passive income but consider the responsibilities and financial implications. Reap the rewards of passive income. Generating passive income requires careful planning and initial effort. However, once established, these streams can supplement your earnings, providing financial freedom and flexibility. Choose wisely, enjoy the process, and watch your passive income grow. Thanks for watching.